I just wanted to show you different options of different effects that you can get. These couple of pieces. So let me show you this one first. It's a little bit see-through because of the, So the top piece here, this is the exact same technique, but using a Logwood dye bath for your blanket. And this one here, I love how this one came out. This was, this is a silk scarf as well. And it's a very thin silk scarf, so you can sort of see through. But we did a little bit of an experiment with my students, and we created different sections with different color dye blankets. So something fun as well that you can do. I wanted to show you, this is the cochineal on cotton. This is 100% cotton, and this is a liquid amber leaf. This was done the same day that I did that one. So that's the liquid amber. Where is it? That's the liquid amber leaf on the silk, and this is the liquid amber leaf on the cotton. Now I also wanted to show you, I really like the Logwood effect. I really love this one. It's the same. So this is the Eucalyptus cinerea. This is the wild daisy that I get from outside my house. These are the rose leaves. So similar, very similar plants that we used on this one. But just changing the color of the dye bath for the blanket changes a lot. Now, I wanted to show you what happens when we use madder. So this is how I like to document everything, right? So this is the blanket that I used, and that was immersed in the dye bath, just like we just went through now. And these are actually, this is all done in winter. So these, I didn't have much. These are rose leaves from the flower shop. And this is wool. This is 100% wool. This is actually a blanket, a recycled blanket. And the blanket was dipped in madder, and I only use rose leaves. So this is the result. Now in the same batch, I did the exact same, but with a very sort of rough woven linen. So as you can see, it's a little bit lighter than the wool. The cellulose fibers will always be lighter, and this is 100% cotton. It took a little bit more intense, the color, but it's just using rose leaves in the middle of winter when there was nothing else to be had. Now this is 100% cotton as well, and these ones here are oak leaves. These are coreopsis flowers, the famous wild daisies down here, and the rose leaves there. And this one, I really like the result I got here. So these are the wild daisies. We go, I think you can see it better there. And as you can see, those daisies are picking up really different. It's always like a blue tone, see? So this is with the cochineal. That's the cochineal there. That's with the madder, and this is with the Logwood. So there's like a darkness to it, like a blue tone to it. And of course, blankets, it's just like a ginormous thing. So just before we go, that is the Eucalyptus cinerea that gave us that the pink color here. So that is from the same tree as this one. So just different ways of, this is an iron blanket. So just different ways of utilizing the dyes. But I really hope that you're excited to try color blankets. It's like the best gift to give to people. It's the most fun and divine thing to do. Eco printing in combination with your natural dyeing, and to do in the middle of winter when we don't have that much. Just remember, you can do a lot of these, a lot of positive, negative kind of shapes, and just using your dye baths as the printing vehicle, right? So we're using leaves. You could be using like paper shapes, really, because really the leaves that have no dyeing qualities in this case, they are acting as our resists. So with all that being said, I hope you enjoyed it. Please let us know if you have any questions. I'll be more than happy to answer anything.